don't want to use it.
So sis, will you take the thing in your hand to the treehouse? Let me help you if you want.
It'll be so good, Mutlu. Come on, help me.
They look like they are up to something again.
Did she understand anything?
I didn't even understand what we're supposed to do with this, sis.
We're gonna use them for setting the table. Zuzu, where is Dad now?
He's taking care of all the food, I think. So how will we fit these all into the spaceship?
We'll make them smaller.
See, this food is being prepared here. They are up to something.
Come on, let's get out of here. We've got to get to the moon and set the table.
No way, Mutlu. Mom will figure it out right away if we go together. We have to bring Mom and Dad later.
So who will help Minnie with all the preparations?
Zuzu, of course!
Really? Me? Am I totally going to the moon? We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon.
Shh! Be quiet, Zuzu.